KotiCharge successfully operated 2 ABB chargers at the designated parking area of VTT Company. The collaboration between KotiCharge and VTT has made it easy for electric vehicle owners to charge their vehicles using the KotiCharge mobile app. KotiCharger's app simplifies the charging process and supports the use of electric vehicles. The app gives users access to real-time charger availability updates and automatic invoicing, enhancing convenience for EV drivers. A seamless, effective, and user-friendly EV charging experience is now provided by the effective operation of ABB chargers, integration of the mobile app, introduction of automated plug-and charge, and future implementation of load balancing. Stay informed as we continue to drive innovation to shape the future of EV charging.